At first, I wish you all a very happy Holi. It also matches with the logo over here. See this colorful logo, which also merges with the day of this great celebration of Holi. And I am indeed blessed to be with Sri Tota Narasimhamji, Honorable Member of Parliament of Kakinada, the architect of this campus, Dr. Gani Vaskar Rao Sarji. I congratulate you for building of this campus. Dr. Y.V. Sharma ji, Dr. T. Satyanarayan ji, and organizing secretary of this conference, Dr. Apparao. And I am more than happy because he has been my first group of students whom I taught in KMC Bangalore, and I am pleased that this great conference. Dr. Suresh Babu Reddy, my CEC member of Indian Association of Physiotherapists, I am also very glad that he is present here. In fact, I had a great wish to visit this institution because I have heard about this glory since 4 to 5 years before. And many times when I moved through this massive bridge of Godavari River, I also had a vision to visit this city. And I am happy that God has fulfilled my these two wishes in this conference. World Cup cricket is going on now, and the fitness certificate for a player is fit to play or not is issued by a physiotherapist. What can be more better laurel for this profession? And I hope, and since the policy makers are present here, Honorable MP Sir is present here, I appeal him that as told by Honorable Chairman of the group, Gani Vaskar Rao ji also here, that the profession has not achieved its due recognition through the political system, sir. I pray to you to raise this issue in the Parliament of India so that a regulatory body for physiotherapists should be formed at the earliest. This is my appeal to you, sir. And also, sir, your government is there in this state. I appeal on behalf of all the physiotherapists present here also to facilitate the state council formation in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And since the time I have interacted with you with a brief interaction, I understood that you are a very educated and committed person who understands. I understood when you are writing down to share with the crowd, I understood your sincerity towards this profession of physiotherapy, and that much of hope and aspirations we have on you, sir. While the lamp lighting ceremony was going on, I thought of one statement of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. That is what I wish for you. Navas Parsam Diptam. Navas Parsam Diptam, if you see the light, it desires to reach to the sky. So I wish from this great statement from Srimad Bhagavad Gita that you must reach to the sky with your professional glory. World Health Organization, I was listening to the deliberation of Dr. Y.V. Sharma ji and Dr. T. Satyanarayan ji about highlighting the importance of the healthcare delivery system. I have a very important statistics for all. The statistics is the world today is suffering not due to the communicable diseases but due to the non-communicable diseases, which is a major area of concern for all the healthcare providers in the world. The statistics as of today in WHO, 63% of the death today in the world, out of 57 millions of death, 36 million is due to non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases means diabetes, obesity, cancer, lifestyle diseases. Are we doing something for the prevention, or we are waiting the problem to happen and then give the provide the solution for that problem? I believe that old adage goes, prevention is better than cure. So it is a time that we have to set goal to prevent these diseases to come. And thereby in the prevention side, I can see no other professional than the physiotherapists. Providing better exercise programs, exercise protocols is the work of a physiotherapist. And I also appeal the Honorable Member of Parliament to facilitate the recruitment of the physiotherapists in various schools. A lot of school children, they have deformed spine. It is unfortunate to see they develop scoliosis. Many of them have got problems with their foot. So a physiotherapist in the school also should be recruited. This is what we are appealing, and we are sending the letters to the policy making agencies. And I am remembered of a talk by Nobel laureate Professor R. Rathman of 2013, December 6th lecture. Professor Rathman in his Nobel lecture of 2013 mentioned that majority of this problem today are due to improper transportation system between the cells, due to sedentary lifestyle. Due to sedentary lifestyle, the transportation between the cells is not proper, and that can get facilitated by stretching, by exercises. I can see a lot of youngsters present here. I would like to invite all of you to participate in this mission to provide the service of physiotherapy to the common public at large. You might be thinking that I am a small person, what I have to do? In the newspaper photograph is there from Mangalayan. We have taken the photograph of the earth. And the Hubble telescope, the cosmologist Edwin Hubble gave a concept that our universe is constantly expanding. And this expansion happened from each single point. The profession of physiotherapy has to expand from each of you. Each of you have to take the responsibility to grow the profession of physiotherapy. Each of you has to conceptualize that your professional service has to reach every common man in the society. It is not only meant for the elite class like cricketers. It is also meant for a common farmer who is bending and cultivating in the river bank of Godavari and getting a back pain. That service also you have to reach to the common farmer. That much should be your individual responsibility. We are living in era of evidence-based practice. As of today morning, we have 231,824 researches on independent on physiotherapy profession itself. 231,000 824 researchers. It's not small number, it is a big number. That testifies that this profession is working for the benefit of the public at large across the world. You are standing with those literatures, those scientific concepts. You are not alone. When you are approaching a patient or when patient is approaching you, you are representing 7.5 lakh physiotherapists of the world. That much is your responsibility. That much is your professional responsibility. You are representing 7.5 lakh physiotherapists. That person is coming to you, perceives about your perception. Are you equipped with your knowledge? Are you improving yourself? Dr. Rao has provided you excellent atmosphere. But atmospheres will not only help you. From Panchatantra there is a saying, Vidyamena hi karyani siddhanti na manoradhaya na suptasya simasya pravishyanti mukhe mruga. Vidyamena means with efforts. With efforts only success is achieved, not just by thinking. If the lion in the forest sleeps, no deer is going to enter its mouth. So you have to put your best of efforts. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Siddhir bhavati karmaja, with work alone, success is achieved. And nothing less than your constant efforts and dedicated efforts towards your profession, towards yourself, that is going to make a difference for each of you. Not just by sitting and chatting and, not putting efforts. Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not a matter of act. Excellence is one matter of habit. If you have to achieve best of yourself, you have to put the best of your efforts. And I am sure that this great profession, this many researchers, further you have to take the profession ahead. That much of expectation I have from each of you. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके इरादों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. So this conference, I believe, you are going to get a lot of ideas. Not only those ideas, you are going to implement it in your practice. You are going to do further research on those ideas and facilitate yourself to grow as an individual and as a professional. So at last, I end with one small Hindi quote. बेहतर से बेहतर तलाश करो, बेहतर से बेहतर तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समुंदर तलाश करो. टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाए पत्थर ऐसा शीशा तलाश करो. थैंक यू.